Welcome to Marina's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some blueberry gluten-free muffins. I've been asked to make some to go to a morning tea, and we're having, it's for a function, and so I thought I'd make the gluten-free ones, and I made two batches because I need about 24. I've already done one batch. Now I'm going to show you how to do them. They are so quick and easy, you can whip them up in no time. So now why I went ahead is what I had to beat. I went ahead in, I'll tell you what I did was, it's two and 2/3 a cup of vegetable oil I put in a bowl, okay? And then I put 2/3 a cup of brown sugar in that bowl. And then I broke in 3 eggs. That's what you've got to start doing. Now, you've got to beat this up for about, I beaten it up for about 5 minutes, because it comes lovely and creamy and foamy. That's what you want to beat it up for 5 minutes. That's how lovely it comes, creamy and foamy. And that's so quick, isn't it? So what you need now I've got half a cup of almond meal, and now I've got 1¼ cup of plain flour, gluten-free. Now to that we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So put that into your flour and mix it around, and then we need some frozen blueberries. I've got a cup here. I need to put half a cup in the mixture, and then I want to keep a few to put on the top of the muffins. So look, that is so quick and simple. You can whip them up in no time. Put your oven on, and look, that is so lovely and creamy. You've got to beat this up for 5 minutes. That oil, the eggs and the brown sugar, and it comes lovely and creamy and foamy like that. Now I'm going to add my half a cup of almond meal straight into there, and I'm going to add my plain flour. Just mix that around. It's so quick and easy. In no time you just whip up a batch of gluten-free blueberry muffins. So I'm going to sift that in a bit at a time and just mix it all together. I've added that baking powder to that plain flour, and just keep on mixing it all up. That's how quick it is. Not much. Now I'm going to add some more of the flour. Mixed it up with that baking powder. There's 1¼ cups of plain gluten-free plain flour there. And now all we've got to do is just mix it around. And I've got some crushed hazelnut or crushed or walnuts or hazelnuts. I'm going to sprinkle some on the top. So I'll just put this on the side here. So all you do, look, that's a lovely mixture, that beautiful mixture. Now I'm going to add half a cup of those blueberries. That's how quick it is. Isn't that quick? Just mix it up lovely until it's lovely and creamy. Now I'm going to put half of those blueberries in there, and I'm going to keep a few that I'm going to put on the top. And look, that's how they look like when you take them out of the oven. They're just absolutely beautiful. There's 12 of them on each dish. So I'm going to put half a cup of these, now I'm going to keep some to put on the top. Just sprinkle them in there like that. I love blueberries through muffins. It just gives it that beautiful flavour. You can put more if you want to, but half a cup is plenty. And then I'm going to keep some to put on the top. And look, I've got 12 muffin tins here, patty cake tins. Just fill them up. That was so quick. Once you've beaten up that sugar, that oil and that eggs and got it lovely and foamy, all you need to do, put the dry ingredients up, and that's it. So now that's all there is to it. So now I'm just going to, this is my nice ice cream cube. I love the ice cream scoop to put the muffin. You've got to have one of these to fill up your muffin tins, patty cakes. There you go. And I've got my oven on for 180, about 25 to 30 minutes. When you put your tester in the cake, Just put it in there. When it comes out nice and dry, you know they're done. 25 to 30 minutes. Just keep on filling them up. It makes 12. There you go. And I'm going to put a couple of blueberries on the top. Just spread it. I'm going to start spreading these blueberries on the top because they're going to melt. I'm going to put 3 in each. Just dig them in there like that. And keep on doing the same thing until you've filled up the whole 12 patty cakes. About 3 in each patty cake is plenty. There you go. I've got another couple here to do. And then you've got to sprinkle, I've sprinkled some crushed walnuts, or you've got some crushed hazelnuts on the top. Honestly, they're so quick to make. It's so, you can just whip them up before breakfast practically if you want some nice hot muffins for morning tea. I'll just finish these off, but I'll just show you what they look like. That's lovely. Just put that, sprinkle that crushed hazelnut or crushed walnuts, whatever you've got inside, and the blueberries will go right into that pastry. And look, honestly, they are beautiful. There, you can make 12 there. I've still got plenty here to make 12. And look, they are lovely. They come a nice size like that, and they are beautiful. They keep well, and actually you can freeze them. They're really, really good to freeze. So this is my blueberry gluten-free muffins. So I hope you've tried them, and I'm sure you're going to like them. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.